Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe video, and for today it is cooking, and it is a soup basing a soup from it is a recipe of soup basing on a soup from Indonesia called lodeh, or also sayur nangka or sayur gori. Lodeh and sayur gori is kind of similar in flavor, to my opinion, although some of the spices just tiny bit different. Basically, this is a coconut milk based soup, and people would usually put cassava leaves or kale if it's in Canada, because we don't have cassava leaves, long beans, and for sure green jackfruit. In this following recipe, I also use long beans and green jackfruit, but no cassava leaves, sadly. And I dropped in a couple of chickens, so the boys got some protein. And so yeah, check out the full video. It is best to serve with warm rice. And I'll see you soon again. Bye. Bring to boil about 4 chicken thighs in enough water. And you want to scoop away the scum. Once scum are scooped away and then discarded, of course, and water is somewhat lessened. This was about 2 to 3 cups, and then we're gonna add 1 can of chicken broth, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 cup of sliced kale, and 1 cup of small sliced long beans, Chinese long beans. Also 1 can of young jackfruit. Now add in 1 teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, a pinch of galangal powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chives, and 2 Indonesian bay leaves. You're just gonna mix it. And then add about 1 tablespoon or to taste Vegeta powder. It's Hungarian or Polish seasoning. Then we just gonna we're just gonna wait until veggies are tender and chicken are cooked. And that's about it. If you have tempeh or tofu, you can cube them and drop them into the pot as well.